Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can cut a model into multiple parts with connectors in Bambu Studio. The first thing that you want to do is to open up your design to the Bambu Studio, highlight it, and then you want to click on the cut option. It's going to be this specific icon right here. Basically, this is where it gets real tricky, but if you made a mistake, there will be the back button, which is going to be this one. But of course, we have the mode of our cut right here. You have the rotation and you have more. The first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and locate which functionalities of these buttons do. So for example, if you want to move the axis from up and down, you then want to choose the red icon. If you want to move your cut down and above, you then want to use this yellow, and of course we have the left and right, and then we have the other one, which is going to be the blue one. So in my case, I want to cut my model onto the head area right here. You want to make sure that it will not also cut some parts that is really necessary. You can just go ahead and cut the available parts on your design. So let's say that I want to cut it this halfway right here. And then to get started, to add your own connectors, you can just click on the add connectors option. And from here, I suggest using the strongest shape, which is going to be hexagon because it has more point. Now to apply the connector, you can simply click on your design right here. And then I'm going to add it the depth ratio and also the size. So with this one, this is going to be our connector. So with this one, once again, you can just edit this the way you want to. We have a lot of properties to edit, but to make things easier, I'll just click on the confirm connections. And finally, you can click on the perform cut. It will then cut the objects into two parts. So from here, we have the connector. And from there, you have successfully cut the objects while adding the connector in the process. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.